Hi, to check whether your POCO F6 is original or not, as a first step, we'll need to open this phone app. Here, trigger the phone keypad, and here we will need to enter such a number as asterisk hash 06 and hash again. And now you can see this pop-up window with your IMEI numbers and the serial number. So now we are gonna take a look at the serial number, and to check whether this phone is original or not, you would need to take this box in which your device came. So that one is an original box. And here as well, find the serial number and IMEI numbers. Here is the IMEI and here is the serial number indicated by the letters SN. So just compare those serial numbers and it should be identical. So if it's identical, then your phone is original. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.